So my employer has updated the SQL schema. So now that kind of breaks my RESTful API. How does it break the RESTful API? Now I've got this missing destination name, I guess from SQLX, and I made that video link up there about SQLX, which is great. But now I need to fix this. So this is the deployed version. Let's get it running locally. I'm just showing you how I go about doing stuff so that you know how to do this stuff too. I know that the table seems to be renamed to external persons now. So let's get to it. Let's run it. Okay, so I have things running here. Let's go make. So the Docker Compose file sets up my environment. The SQL here. Yeah, okay. Let me just get it up going how it was. Oops. Enterprise, whatever. I use auto jump, by the way. So that's running here. Let's go back to Postman. Is it working again? Okay, yeah, it's working again. I get the bad gateway because when I invoke it locally, it takes a little bit of time to set up the parameter store. Meh. Okay, so it's working locally, but things have changed. So I need to get the new schema going. So let me shut this down. Database down. I think mine is V. Also kills the volume. So now I need to get rid of this SQL. Let's move it away. Let's move that over there. And then let me take a backup from staging, I think. Okay, great. Let's move it into the SQL directory, which primes everything. But it's no doubt missing the database creation stuff. So I'm just gonna go into the temp, grab these two units. I'm not too sure how to make it create the database too, but anyway. So now I set up Docker Compose up again. So hopefully it's all set up now. Wait, I'm trying to remember how this is. Okay, so now I need to connect to my local host. I think it's secret or something. Is it secret? Secret? Unknown database secret. Okay, great. Password equals secret. Come on, dudes. Oh, here we go. Connect me. Okay, then I use unit. I think I've got to select the database. And then I'm gonna go describe tables. No, show tables. Is the yeah. And then external. So this is the schema that's changed. Okay. So now I was going to use tables to go to help me figure this thing out. So, okay, let's just run gen here. Let's see what happens with Postman. Local. We should have the same errors I'm getting in dev. Yeah, missing destination name, okay. Things are amiss. Things are amiss. So, let me just, whatever. So this model needs updating. Is it this one? No, it's the struct. This needs to be updated. So, structure here. Let me just move these to temp. Let's do it. Is this correct? Yeah, let's do it. Gen. And external persons. But there's a new option now that I can use to generate pointers. I thought there was. I think there was. Close. There we go. What is null? Okay, I want the null. I think that's the easiest way to handle stuff. Where does persons come from? I'm a bit puzzled. So there's still a persons table? And so it is external. Oh, okay. My employer told me I should be using external persons, right? Okay, whatever. So let's just add to the confusion. So let me add the null. So hopefully it will generate. What have I done here? Let's add null here. Come on. Represents the columns null or primitive. Default. Okay, I don't know the options here. Let's just try primitive. Yes, this is what I want. Pointers everywhere. I don't like to use the SQL prefix ones because then it has a very strange JSON structure. Okay, so this is looking good. This is what I want. And let's move that down. Now I need to merge that into person struct. But as you can see, it's quite different. How different though? You can see that now tables to go is generating IDs nicer. That's good. But it's not generating the JSON stuff. So I have to do that manually. But then I need to also manually add omit empty. Okay. Okay, can I do this? How can I do this? I'm still thinking how to do this. Is there new fields, I wonder? There are 45 lines here. 47 lines here. What? Yeah, I guess things have changed. Okay, I think what my tact is, I'm going to just copy it over. So move external persons over to this one. and then I use git diff to sort of work out what to do next. External persons. I think I prefer to call it persons. Okay. Oh, I mean, I prefer to call it person, sorry. I wish git diff was a little bit smarter here. Okay, is it ID new ones or okay? Ooh, I also much prefer things to be called ID. Maybe I'm wrong here, but I just find it a little bit saner to always have the table then ID. I think this is debatable. Okay, so okay, now I use a vim-go feature, go add tags. This is quite handy, but unfortunately it doesn't add omit empty for the optional values. So this thing's still gonna look kind of gnarly. So, oh my gosh, I hate doing this manually, but here we go. Omit empty. This one seems to be a mandatory thing. It's got to be an easier way, right? I gotta speed this up so you're not as bored as I am. Wait. Can I be clever here? Can I be clever? No, there's 2 commas there, isn't there? %s/ trailing characters. Backslash the hell out of this stuff. Defeat. Oh, this undo. This one's not optional. Given name is mandatory. That was close. So if anyone has a better idea about doing this, please let me know. Okay. I'm not a big fan of that address 123 thing. Isn't there some ISO standard for addresses nowadays? Okay, so that's looking prima thing. Just the font. So yeah, I think a few things have changed. Wish this diff was a little bit better. Oh, looks like there's a typo there. Seriously? It's a typo there? I'm sure why am I doing this? Ah, you know why? Because he's capitalizing ID. There's a bug on tables to go there. G-U-W. G-U-W. Okay, this is great, isn't it? Diff. Okay. Only IDs at the end, I would say, should be capitalized. Okay, this looking param thing. Any complaints? Okay, so now I need to change the model, I guess, because we're using external persons, right? External persons. So let's see where all the persons are. Okay. GC. Yes, 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 yes. And nope. 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 Yes. Nope. Nope. Okay, I think that should work. Then we have to update the type here. I think it's just, is it that simple? Are we good to go here? Would appear so. Let's do some post manning. Bad gateway. Null. I guess there's no values in it. Okay, let's do a new person. And I'm posting to localhost, aren't I? I was getting better nervous about this stuff. Created by ID doesn't have a, okay. Created by ID. That's a new value. Created. Oh, okay. We need something there. So created by ID, external table. Okay. New mandatory value. Created by. Nope, you auto completed the volume, the wrong one. No, creation. Created by ID. Yeah. Then I need created by ID here. I'm just going to put, what is this, an int? Okay, 1, 2, 3, here we go. Boom. Bad gateway. Bad gateway. Column count does not match value at row 1. Oh. See, this is really annoying part of, annoying lack of SQLX. I have to create this all manually. So, run through all these fields. Some guy on Twitter suggested there's a way of doing it. Or maybe I should just write a convenience function myself that sort of like describes the table, kind of fixes it up. Cannot add okay, it has to reference, okay, whoa, I'm not sure what's in that table. Oh, that worked. So get persons. Yay, 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 yay. So I think I've migrated it. to the new schema proposed by my employer. Was that hard? It was a bit if you don't know what you're doing. I'm going to... What should I do now? Want some tests? Does my Go test still work? No, I don't think I have a Go test here. What else should I do? I feel like I'm missing some stuff. But I think I'm going to leave it there. This is the workflow, how I generate the Go struct from a table and update it for some changes. So I hope you got something out of it. Using tables to Go, I'll link it down the bottom. I'm using SQLX, which I wish it had some better helper features. And last but not least, let me quickly update the dev environment and see if it's all working. Staging. And now deploying it via Apex app, Lambda. Yeah, it's null. I should fix that null problem. How do I fix that one again? Yeah, if length of persons is equal to 0, return yeah, because unfortunately the way that SQLX works is that it will basically put in an empty slice into here, even though there was nothing. Let's double check that works locally. Local. Oh no, there's people already in my local thing, isn't it? No, let's delete that guy. Delete 2. Bye. Now I get persons. Yeah, great. Better. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. How my workflow works. And I love Apex Up iterations here. It takes like 5 seconds to push it onto the cloud. Yes, it's in the staging environment, but it's just as quick to go to production. And also how I use Postman. Okay. Twiddle pip. Tables to Go. I just did it for you. Showed you. Please like. Please subscribe. What else is there to do? Tell your friends and family. Don't bother. Don't do that. It's too boring. Bye.